So the secret to any great style is all in the prep. I'm starting with clean, moisturized hair because if your base isn't right, your hairstyle won't be either. Before we jump into styling, I always start with blow drying my hair. You know, I like to stretch my hair out a bit, not bone straight, but enough to make the process smoother. Oh, and don't skip your heat protectant, especially if you're using heat tools. We love the waves, but we're not about to sacrifice our healthy curls. After blow drying, I like to go in with my heat brush. And let me tell you, this little tool is gentle and it's quick and it's less heat than a flat iron. Now let's move on to the star of the show, the Flexi rods. I'm using the large ones today because we're going for a looser look. Because I have thick hair, I have to use mousse because without it, my hair would just be frizzy. I wrap my hair around the Flexi rods, starting from the ends, rolling upwards towards the root. The trick here is to keep tension consistent as you roll so the curl forms nicely. What I love about Flexi rods is that they don't require direct heat, so it's a great option for giving your hair a break from heat tools. Plus, they create those super defined curls that loosen into the most gorgeous waves. Now, I'll just keep repeating the same process for the rest of my hair. And yes, it looks funny at first, but trust me, the results are so worth it. I love how this hairstyle lets me switch things up without damaging my natural hair. I always use a heat protectant when I style, and sometimes I even go heatless with the Flexi rods or braids to achieve the same look. So after I put my perm rods in, I actually fell asleep because it was kind of late. So this is the next day and let's just see how it came out. Okay, the first one got a little curl to it. So it's set overnight and then so far so good. Let's just pray the rest of them came out the same way. Whether I'm running errands, hanging out with friends, or headed out for a date night, this hairstyle always hits, okay? Let's not forget, it's protective too. So with the ends tucked, I don't have to worry about them snagging on my clothes, bags, or whatever else. Length retention, check. Low maintenance, check. Super cute, Chat. It's all there. What I love about this hairstyle is how effortless it looks. It's giving I woke up like this, but let's be real, we put in some work, but it's worth it. So y'all trying this? Let me know in the comments if you like this look or if you have another go-to hairstyle I should try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any new content. See you guys next time. Love you. Bye.